Assalamualaikum. My name is Ainatul Nadira binti Muhammad Hasbi. My ID number is KBN22251031. Today, I would like to talk about the company that our group have chosen for this assignment, which is Top Glove Corporation Berhad. Top Glove Corporation Berhad is the world's largest manufacturer of gloves. It is based in Malaysia and produces a wide range of glove types, including latex, nitrile, and vinyl gloves, used in various industries such as healthcare, food, and manufacturing. Now, let's dive into their company background. Top Glove Corporation Berhad was founded in Malaysia in 1991 by Tan Sri Dr. Lim Wee Chai with one production line and staff comprising 100 people. Top Glove has become the world's largest manufacturer of gloves. Commanding 26% of the world's market share, Top Glove was listed on the Kuala Lumpur Stock Exchange now, or Bursa Malaysia, in August 2001. Despite its success, the company has faced challenges including labor issues and regulatory scrutiny. However, it continues to play a pivotal role in the global supply chain, especially highlighted during the COVID-19 pandemic when the demand for the personal protective equipment surged dramatically. Overall, Top Glove's journey from a small local manufacturer to a global industry leader exemplifies strategic growth and adaptability in a competitive market. Top Glove Company mission is to ensuring safe human protection globally and to be your world-class partner in gloves and healthcare products.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nurul Rahana binti Muhammad Nur. My ID number is KBN22251014. I would like to present to you about objective of company. Top Glove Corporation Berhad, as the world's largest manufacturer of gloves, aims to maintain and expand its leadership position in the global market. Its primary objective is to produce high-quality gloves that meet international standards, ensuring safety and hygiene for users across various industries, including medical, industrial, and food sector. Top Glove prioritizes sustainable growth and corporate social responsibility. Lastly, Top Glove also aims to provide a safe and healthy working environment for its employees, promoting their well-being and professional development. Next, types of industry and product. Top Glove Corporation Berhad operates primarily in the rubber glove manufacturing industry, which is a subset of the larger medical and healthcare supplies sector. These products range from medical and examination gloves, which are essential in hospitals and clinics, to specialized industry gloves used in sectors like food processing, electronics, and chemical handling. Example of the product is natural rubber latex, nitrile, vinyl, face mask, and dental dams. Financial performance evaluation. For liquidity ratios, the formula is current ratio equal to current asset divided to current liability. This is the graph of current ratios that have been analyzed. The analyses are current ratio 2022 1.65 times and 2023 2.12 times. Current ratio 2002 is better than 2023. Current ratio 2022 is simply current asset divided by current liabilities. Recommendation: to improve this, it's consider using sum of cash to pay off the debt. It should pay as often. It will decrease the level of current liabilities and can improve the current ratio. Quick ratio 2022 1.33 times and 2023 1.54 times. Quick ratio 2022 is better than 2023. This is because the inventory is typically least liquid asset out of the total current asset and generally takes a longer time to be converted into cash. The recommendation is to improve the asset test ratio or quick ratio, stock bulk to be reduced and sold out for money.
My name is Nuraini binti Zaidi. My ID number is KBN2225103225. Average credit period ACP. Analysis for the financial rating ACP in 2022 is 54 day and 2023 is 20 day. ACP in 2023 is better than 2022. ACP 2022 is not good than 2023 because the account receivable higher and credit sale lower. Recommendation: the list should be the organization by the due and it should be updated list the yearly. The main takeaway is the account receivable taking system will lead the automated or the manual from the system. It can benefit account receivable manage. Inventory turnover ITO. Analysis for the financial retail, inventory turnover 2022 is 0.80 times and 2023 is 0.73 times. Inventory turnover 2022 is better than 2023. Inventory turnover 2023 is not good, it's not good than 2022 because COGS and inventory lower. Recommendation: other way in the improve the company inventory turnover ratio is the increase the company sale. The company need to the formulate better the marketing strategy for the create the more demand in the industry. Total asset turnover TAT. Analysis for the financial review. TAT 2022 is 0.69 times and 2023 is 0.31 times. TAT in 2022 is better than 2023. TAT in 2023 is not good than 2022 because the sale and total asset is lower. For the recommendation, improve the efficiency can be effect to the low asset turnover ratio because of the efficient use by the asset. The company should be analysis how the asset are used to improve the productive of the each asset in the company. Fixed asset turnover FAT. Analysis for the financial review. FAT in 2022 is 1.23 times and 2023 is 0.58 times. FAT 2022 is better than 2023. FAT 2023 is not good than 2022 because the sale and fixed asset is lower. For recommendation, company can increase the revenue which is the asset made by the properly utility and the company can increase the sale by the more promotion and by the make proper schedule for the moment for the finishing good.
Leverage ratios. In leverage ratios, there are debt ratios, debt to equity ratios, and time interest earned. Firstly, debt ratios. To find a debt ratios, total liabilities must be divided to total assets and times 100. In this chart analysis, we get that the difference between debt ratio of 2022 and 2023. Debt ratio for 2022 is 16.31%, while in 2023, the debt ratio is 16.08%, which is mean the debt ratio for 2023 is better than 2022 because the debt ratio for 2023 is lower than 2022. Debt ratio for 2022 is total liabilities high and total assets high. My recommendation to Top Glove Company is the company can focus seriously on increasing the sales without any increase in overhead expenses. When company increase in sales, it can be used to reduce the debt and improve the debt to total asset ratio. Debt to equity ratio. To find debt to equity ratio, total liabilities must be divided to total equities and times 100. In this chart analysis that shown in the slide, we can tell that the debt to equity ratio for 2022 is 19.48%. Meanwhile, in 2023, the debt to equity ratio is 19.16%, which is mean the debt to equity ratio for 2022 is better than 2023 because the debt ratio for 2022 is higher than 2023. Debt to equity ratio is total liabilities high and total equity lower. My recommendation to Top Glove Corporation Berhad is company should increase the revenue and keep the ratio stable when the sales increase. The company will reinvest, adding assets or paying down debt. Times interest earned. To find times interest earned, EBIT must be divided to interest. On the chart analysis shown in the slide, we can see that times interest earned in 2022 is 14.7 times and 2023 is 51.9 times, which is mean times interest earned in 2023 is better than 2022 because in 2023, the times interest earned is higher than 2022. Time interest earned in 2023 is a bit high and interest lower. My recommendation for top glove company is it is most approving if the company have higher value of times interest earned ratio, as it shows that the company has sufficient earning to pay off interest expenses and hence its debt obligations.
Next is profitability ratios. Net profit margin 2022 is 5.05% and 2023 is 39.23%. Net profit margin 2023 is better than 2022. A higher margin is always better than a lower margin. For recommendation, funding expansion can be an effective long-term strategy for improving the net margin because it increases production capacity, drive higher sales volumes, and reduce the average cost per item produced. Next, operating profit margin 2022 is 1.38% and 2023 is 0.66%. Operating profit margin 2022 is better than 2023. The higher the ratio indicates the company doing well on its reduced cost of goods sold. For recommendation, reduced COGS is one of the methods to improve operation income. Increased sales revenue can raise company sales. Revenues can help to increase operating income. Next, return on equity 2022 is 4.15% and 2023 is 14.9%. ROE 2023 is better than 2022. The lower cost with its product supplier, it improved profit and return on equity. For recommendation, to raise return on equity is to maintain cost while revenue rise or to cut costs. A company can try to perform better on this metric by decreasing the amount of asset it used to achieve a certain level of sale. Next, return on asset 2022 is 3.47% and 2023 is 12.54%. ROA 2023 is better than 2022. The higher ratio, the greater amount of net income. For recommendation, increase the revenue is one of the company's continuing objective of all business. But if it can accomplish this without increasing asset base. For conclusion, based on financial performance of the company within 2 years is very satisfactory. The liquidity ratios provide insight into a company's ability to meet its short-term obligation. A higher ratio indicates a stronger liquidity position as the company has more current asset to cover its current liabilities. It is important to analyze the ratio in with other financial indicators to get a comprehensive view of the company's financial health. Likewise, these leverage ratios provide insight into a company level of debt and its ability to meet its interest obligation. A lower debt ratio indicates a lower level of debt in relation to total asset, which is generally considered favorable. Similarly, a lower debt to equity ratio indicates a lower reliance on debt financing. A higher times interest earn ratio indicates a greater ability to cover interest expenses with operating earning. Next, as well as for efficiency ratios provide insight into the company's ability to collect payments, manage inventory and utilize its asset effectively. A lower average collection period indicates faster collection of account receivable, while a higher inventory turnover suggests better inventory management. The total asset turnover ratio measures the company's efficiency in utilizing its asset to generate sales, and the fixed asset turnover ratio assesses the efficiency of fixed asset utilization. At last, profitability ratios. Insight into the company's ability to generate profit in relation to its sales, equity, and assets. The net profit margin measures the percentage of each sales that translate into net profit. A higher net profit margin indicates better profitability. The operating profit margin measures the percentage of each sale that represent operating profit. The return on equity ratio assesses the profitability of the company's equity investment, while the return on asset ratio measures the profitability of the company's total asset. Higher values for these ratios generally indicates better profitability.